Okay, I'm going to start with my baking soda and vinegar reaction, and then we'll talk about what's happening afterwards. And I've chosen to do this one outside just in case we get a little messy. So I have my paper towel over here with baking soda in it. You can see that that's in there. I don't know how much I'm supposed to use, so I used a pretty good bit. Okay, we're going to put this in the water bottle. Add some vinegar and see what happens. Okay. Okay, so nothing actually happened. That's interesting. Okay, so nothing actually happened, but what's supposed to happen is an eruption like a volcano, and we've all seen this before, and maybe my vinegar is bad, I'm not sure. But the reaction we're getting, I have a little diagram. Basically what's happening, so this is our equation for what's happening, and I wrote it out in easier terms. So basically what's happening is we have baking soda plus vinegar, which produces carbon dioxide, water, sodium, and acetate ions. So again, this is our chemical formula kind of for what all is happening. Basically what's supposed to happen is the weak acid is supposed to react and neutralize with the sodium bicarbonate, which is a weak base, and it's supposed to form this eruption. And that's because the carbon dioxide is produced from this reaction, and it's responsible for the fizzing and the bubbling during the reaction. So we didn't get the outcome we wanted from this, but I'm going to try it again and see maybe if I have a different kind of vinegar and see if that works better. So I'll be right back. I'm back. I'm going to try this again. So this time I've made more of a funnel with my baking soda and paper towel, and I'm going to see if this works a little bit better for the reaction. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah. Okay, so we got a reaction that time. It did make a big mess and is all over the floor now. But I think what happened the first time, my reaction probably didn't work because I had the baking soda wrapped too tightly in the paper towel, and it couldn't, the vinegar couldn't react with it. And I also used a different kind of vinegar the second time, so maybe that also had something to do with it. But the basics are the same. We have a reaction between a weak acid and a weak base, and the acid is working to neutralize the base, and that's what's giving off this carbon dioxide fizzing and bubbling reaction. So second time was the charm, and hopefully that was informative, and that's all I've got.